Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. So Allah bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much, viewers, for watching my previous videos, supporting me like this. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see, friends, in this video I am providing you most amazing and most attractive collection of knee-high socks ideas. So please don't skip this video, watch this video start to end, because all of these designs are so amazing, so stunning and very useful. I hope you all love this type of beautiful collection, and these are very easy to make. Viewers, please share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most popular designs. I really hope that they will love this amazing collection and knee-high socks ideas. You know, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and most amazing designs. Must apply these popular designs for more beautiful and outclass look. And thank you viewers for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass, this is very amazing collection for them. So viewer must make these beautiful designs and amazing themes. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you want more designs and more ideas, and if you all love these articles, so like my video, subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Viewer, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me and remember me in your precious prayer. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.